Miss you guys. It's been a while, but we're back. So today, what are we working on? So this gate right here, it is a little short. So when you're trying to like pull debris and stuff like that out of it, it is very difficult when you have the wheelbarrow. So, and also, it's got this cool little like combo lock thing. In theory, it's a good idea. In theory, but because of the spring and the way it gets caught, stuff like that, it just doesn't work well. And so then the latch stays open, and then our little friend right here, where is he at? There he is. Our little friend right here, he has figured out how to push the gate open. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna make it a little bit wider. We're gonna pull the pole out. We're gonna reset it, put it in concrete. So yeah, here we go. Join us.
Yeah. Yeah.